All right, part three. So it's broken down pretty much as far as I'm going to take it down. I'll probably take the air oil separator off now that I had to pull the oil filler off. Where's that filler at? It did melt a little bit somewhere down in this mess. Oh no, it's on the other side over here. Well, anyways, it did melt a bit, but it left part of it open. You can see. Let me see if you can see. Need a flashlight. Hold on one second. I thought I brought a flashlight out here a second ago. It's actually a really good core. All right, let me know if you guys see the flashlight out here. It's a really good core. Let's see if I can do it like this. There you go. Super clean inside, right? Bad part is it's got a little bit of water sitting in the bottom of the motor. When I pulled the dipstick out, there was no carbon buildup. I mean, it was burnt right here, but down inside below where it was hot, the stick was clean. It wasn't melted or anything, which is a good sign, but it did get some water down in the bottom of the motor. So hopefully water just went down into the bottom and is just sitting there from it sitting out of the car. Because the guy I bought it from had this thing sitting out it was in a junkyard. So anyways, it did get a little bit of moisture in some of the ports. I don't know if it got down. Whoops, don't want to do that. I want it to focus down in that. Come on, zoom in. I don't know if it got down, you can see it got some water down in there. Obviously it's low mileage though. So no matter what, it's a good core. He wanted to run it like this while we were rebuilding his other motor. That I'm not 100% sure. Wish I could get you guys a better shot of this. Where in the hell did I just put that flashlight? I just had the damn thing. Oh, just found it, guys. So you can see it got some water in it, but I don't think it got past the valves. So what I'm going to do is we're going to do a compression test, right? Let me see if I can help you guys out here. We're going to do a compression test on it since the starter's still in it, and we're going to see what that looks like, completely against Porsche recommendations of how you should be doing things, but totally within the way American guys do shit. So we're going to look at that one. That one's nasty. So yeah, we'll clean it all up. It'll either be a core or clean it all up, oil the cylinders down, pull all the plugs, pull the coils. We'll go into the cylinders with a bore scope, look at what the liners look like. If there isn't any damage to them, we'll put plugs in it. Well, we don't ever put plugs in it. We'll spin it over. Actually, we'll drop the oil pan, so back that up a little bit. We'll clean it all up, drop the oil pan, see what the oil or the water that's sitting in there or whatever it is. Hopefully it's just a little bit of moisture down in the bottom, but we'll take a look. I'll do a video of that, figure out what's in the bottom of it. If the rotating assembly and everything is good, then we'll pull all the plugs out. Like I said, we'll bore scope all the cylinders, see if we have any corrosion in any of the cylinders. If we don't, then we will put a compression gauge on it or a leak down tester, and we will see what it has for compression or leak down, and then we'll see if we can actually save this motor and run it the way it is, or if we're just going to go ahead and go through the whole thing and freshen it up, which is, that's obviously a possibility too. So all right, stay tuned. The plot thickens, right?